Hello, this is Professor Azim Shabbir Sutar from DY Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Kasba Boda, Kolhapur. I welcome you all on this international FDP on project management and finance. So today's topic I'm going to deal with you is the construction project management. Project management is the art of directing and coordinating human and material resources throughout the life of a project by using modern management techniques to achieve predetermined objectives of scope, cost, time, quality, and participating objectives. Construction project management typically includes complicated tasks that can shift widely depending on the work at hand, and it requires strong skills in communicating, deep knowledge of the building process, and the ability to problem solve. Construction project management is a complex field requiring knowledge in many different areas like finance, law, business, and more. Construction project management, often referred to as CM, is a professional service. It uses specific project management techniques that oversee the planning, design, and of course, the specific project management techniques like start to finish. The most important aspect to control in the construction is time, cost, and quality. Construction project management combines the responsibilities of an everyday project manager with the experience of someone part of the construction industry. The typical types of construction projects are residential, home building and renovation, heavy industrial construction, commercial and institutional construction, and engineering constructions. The main principle of CPM requires a broad variety of skills and ability to interface with a diverse range of agencies and people in order to lead the project from concept to build. It's important that construction project managers follow the principles of project management during every phase of the project. It's not secret that construction project management is quite complicated field. However, there are some fundamental principles that everyone who just entering the field should keep in mind. Everything starts with a project owner reaching out to the contractors in order to ask for bids. The managers of construction that are interested in carrying out the project will then offer a bid to the owner. The bid will include details about the amount of money that the project owner has to offer for the project to be completed. The next point is project management process flowchart. It starts with the project conception and initiation and ending up with the archive or achievement. So we'll start with the process. In general, you can see the chart here. In general, every project has a standard life cycle regardless of its spatial characteristics. This structure could be outlined in four basic stages, that is project initiation, planning phase, execution phase, performance and monitoring, and closing phase. The functions of project management for a construction project are specification of project objectives and plans include delineation of scope, budgeting, scheduling, setting performance requirements, and selecting project participants. Maximization of efficient resource utilization through procurement of labor, materials, and equipment according to the prescribed schedule and plan. Implementation of various operations through proper coordination and control of planning, design, estimating, contracting, and construction in the entire process. Sorry. Development of effective communications and mechanisms for resolving conflicts among the various participants. Next comes the construction project phase. The stages of construction project are design, pre-construction, procurement, construction, owner occupancy. The roles and responsibilities of the construction project manager are that the project integration management to ensure that the various project elements are effectively coordinated, project scope management to ensure that all the work required is included, project time management to provide an effective project schedule, project cost management to identify needed resources and maintain budget control, project quality management to ensure functional requirements are met, project human resource management to develop and effectively employ project personnel, project communications management to ensure effective internal and external communications, project risk management to analyze and mitigate potential risks, and last, project procurement management to obtain necessary resources from external sources. These nine are areas from the basics of the Project Management Institute certification program are project managers in any industry. The Construction Management Association of America, a US construction management certification and advocacy body, says that 120 common responsibilities of a construction manager fall into these seven categories like project management planning, cost management, time management, quality management, contract administration, safety management, construction management professional practices that manage the team working on the project, define each person's role and responsibilities, etc. So now let's see what are the construction management job titles. So there are many different roles in construction project management with some requiring a more technical background. Here are some of the job titles and their definitions like field engineer or surveyor. A field engineer or a surveyor supervises a crew of workers known as the survey party. Next comes the project engineer. A project engineer acts as the liaison between the project manager and the technical aspects of a project. Next comes the project coordinator. The project coordinator assists the project manager in all day-to-day activities. Next comes the project manager. The construction project manager supervises projects from beginning to end, making sure they finish on time and on budget. Next comes the construction manager, also known as a site manager. A construction manager is responsible for running and managing the construction site. Next comes the operations manager. An operations manager works in a large construction company that oversees many projects at once. Construction project management offers many more technical roles and jobs behind the scenes, including design engineer, planning engineer, and project architect, to name a few. But so-called soft skills are just as important in completing a project, which is why design managers, project documents, controllers, schedulers, scheduling engineers, project planners, project finance manager, insurance representatives, and engineered materials representatives are in demand as well. Next comes the legal aspects of a construction project. A construction project consists of many different details. One of the most vital one that on project manager should overlook has to do with its legal parameters. A well-prepared construction project manager should always be in a position to offer answers in potential legal disputes or risks that may emerge. In that way, the whole project is secured and built on strong foundations. In general, there are five main areas that should be taken into considerations. That is, number one, the parties. Number two, contracts. Number three, legislation and regulation. Number four, procurement. Number five, insurance. Next part comes the construction project manager's salary. The average salary for construction project managers as per the pay scales is recorded on 12th December 2020 is given as the average salary in India is Indian rupees is 9,93,207. Likewise, the average salary in the USA is in USA dollars, that is 74,995 US dollars. To conclude, I would like to say that the industry demand for qualified project management professionals is increasing day by day. A lot of project management software and applications are getting introduced every day. Also, the employment of construction managers is projected to grow 15 to 20% from 2018 to 2026, faster than the average for all occupations. Construction managers are expected to be needed as overall construction activity expands. So, to overcome the future skill gap challenge, the study of the construction project manager will be an added advantage for the civil, mechanical, electrical engineers, architects, and other engineering graduates. Thank you.